The Battle of Muye, fought around 1046 BCE, was a decisive conflict that led to the fall of the Shang dynasty and the rise of the Zhou dynasty in ancient China. The battle took place near Muye, in present-day Henan province. The Zhou forces, led by King Wu of Zhou, sought to overthrow the Shang dynasty, which was ruled by King Zhou of Shang, also known as Di Xin. The Shang dynasty had become increasingly tyrannical and corrupt, leading to widespread discontent among its subjects and vassals. King Wu capitalized on this discontent, rallying a coalition of rebellious states and tribes against the Shang. The Zhou army, though smaller in number compared to the Shang forces, was highly disciplined and motivated. According to historical records and legend, many Shang soldiers were disaffected and switched sides during the battle or offered little resistance. This weakened the Shang defense significantly. The battle itself was marked by intense fighting, with the Zhou forces employing superior strategy and tactics to defeat the Shang troops. King Zhou of Shang eventually realized his defeat was imminent and committed suicide by setting his palace on fire. The victory at Muye allowed King Wu to establish the Zhou dynasty, which would rule China for several centuries. The battle is significant in Chinese history as it marked the end of the Shang dynasty's harsh rule and the beginning of the Zhou dynasty, which introduced the mandate of heaven concept to justify the ruler's authority, emphasizing moral governance.